travel is set to surpass pre-pandemic levels, making employee safety while traveling a key focus for our customers. Samdesk's mobile app includes Nearby Me alerts, which keeps traveling employees and executives aware of what's happening around them wherever they go. Back in January, our artificial intelligence picked up a devastating drone attack at the Abu Dhabi International Airport. Samdesk's mobile users were alerted to the incident, even if their business had no assets nearby, or even if they weren't actively monitoring that area for disruptions. As workers become more mobile and distributed, our customers face an even bigger challenge keeping them safe. Having a global crisis event monitoring system in your back pocket, figuratively and literally, is one of the best tools for situational awareness wherever you go.